How to add NANI on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add NANI on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in into your account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, you can see the option for plus icon. Tap on it. Now hit the search bar and search for NANI. In order to add NANI, just check the box. Once you take it, you can see the option for next. Tap on it. Now hit the import button. As soon as you hit the import button, NANI will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add NANI on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.